Give the sec Give the section first. Question. It is assertion reason. You must be knowing it. First is 16 ratio 20 is equal to 20 ratio 30. You know, whenever there are four dots, Aurora has joined. Okay. Able section, beta. Come, Yuvika. Yuvika, please come and tell me. What do you mean by four dots in a ratio? Whenever you see four dots like this, what do you mean by that? Oh yeah, Aurora section.
Ma'am, first sentence is false. The question is false and reason is true.
That is fine. I'm asking what is the meaning of four dots? What do you understand by that?
Ma'am, proportion.
They are in proportion. Yeah. Aurora section. Good afternoon, all of you. Have you got the module, Betty? Did you have? Yeah, very good. Very good. Small questions you can do in. Okay, okay, okay. Keep it with you. All small questions you can write answer in module only directly. And other long questions you have to do in your notebook. And this is your revision. Okay, quickly you will be revising everything what you have done it in chapter. Assertion first is false. You have just checked 16 ratio 20 is not equal to 20 ratio 30. अभी अभी आपने check किया and she told me this is false. Any doubt? Anybody has any doubt? Everybody has got false. They are not equal to each other. Yes, you can check very well by doing this. You know, by doing it lowest form, when you do it 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are, and here it is coming 2 ratio 3. When you cut the zeros, you will get 2 ratio 3. So this ratio is different and 4 ratio 5 is different. That's why they are not matching. That's why they are not equal. So it is false. Reason is if two ratios are equal, we say that they are in proportion. Is it true? Quickly, raise your hand. You know it. Proportion means they should be equal. Excellent. So our option will be D. First question, option is D. Assertion was false and reason was true. Second question, two ratios are equivalent if the fraction corresponding to them are equivalent. If two fractions are equal, अभी आपने किया कि 4/5 is equal to 2/3, you will say yes, they are in proportion. Assertion is true. हाथ खड़ा करो. Who say yes, it is true? Yes, it is true. Two ratios are equivalent. We call them as to be equivalent ratios whenever their fractions are also equal. Assertion is true. Question number 2. Assertion is true. And reason they are saying the equivalent ratio of 3 ratio 2 is 4 ratio 5. 2 ratio 2 is equal to 4 ratio 5. Is it so? Are they equal? No. No. Yes. There it is false. So this is false. True and false. So your option will be C. Second question, C option. Third question, assertion is 10/3 is the lowest form of 50/15. It is from. इसको correction कर लो. Question number 3 में you have question number 3 assertion. It is form, not from. Correct the spellings. 10/3 is the lowest form of 50/15. Please check it. Who say true? Who have done? Who say true? Yeah, this is true. Assertion is true. Reason is the equivalent ratio of 10 ratio 3 is 15 ratio 50. 50 ratio 15 is the equivalent ratio. Are they equal? 10 ratio 3 is equal to 50 ratio 15. Please check it. Is it true? Who say true? Raise your hand. Okay, yes, you have done it in lowest form. Okay, Arjuna section, put on video bit fast. We have just finished 3 questions only. Very small questions. This is 10 by 3 and this fraction is 50 by 3. When you cancel it by the table of 5, you get it 10 ratio 3 once more. They are equivalent. So this is also true. And I must tell you, since this is upper one जो assertion है, please make it 50 है वहां पे, make it 25. Write it as, please इसकी correction करो, 50 ratio 25. Check for 50 ratio 25 क्योंकि दोनों true नहीं हो सकते. True आपका okay, if they are true, what option it will be if they are true? Ajra section, hurry up, join beta. I'm going slow for you. Put on video. Assertion was true. Reason is also true. So what option it will be? A or B, beta? Both are true. Both are related also. Who said A option? Raise your hand. Wonderful. This will be A option because both are related. A option. Okay. Next question is our case study. Ajira section. Hope you have got the module. Please take it out. Quickly, we have just written the answers of assertion reason. I'm repeating once more. Read the question quickly, all of you. This is all repetition of whatever you have done. Assertion reason, question number 1, I'm repeating the answers. Question number 1, we have done D option. You also check it. If there is any doubt, ask me. Then second question, we have done C option. And third question, we have done A option. Both were true, both were related. Okay, so it is E option. Right. Come to the next question, case study. Statement is given to you. There are 45 persons working in an office. If the number of females is 25 and the remaining are males, right? We have to find the following answers. How many males are working? Arjuna section, beta, have you written all the answers of assertion reason? Please raise your hand. Go through the questions quickly. If there is any doubt, you can ask me. Assertion first is D option, second is C, third is E option. Okay, fine. I have seen many hands in Aurora section already. Okay, now we are going to start case study. Case study question, there are 45 people altogether. Case study, total people are 45, right? And then you have females, 25. You can write in short form, right? And you have to remaining are males. You have question related to males and females as their numbers as well as their ratios, right? Okay. Aurora section, last girl, middle row. Yes. How many males are working? This was your for A part. Have you found it? Okay, I think your mic is not working, beta. You are not replying. I can't hear you. Check your mic. Arjuna section, wait beta, मैं कैमरा ठीक करती हूँ. Wait. You're all coming blurry. Picture clear नहीं आ रही है आपकी. Yes, beta. Who is telling me the answer of first? How many males are working? Quickly find out. Many children have found, I think this is coming out to be 20. Okay, keep noting the answers also. B part is give the ratio of males to the females. Males to the females. Please write down in this form so that आपकी गलती ना हो. Don't do it orally because sometime while writing you make a mistake. Yes. Let me call the names then. Aurora section, Tejasvi. What is coming? बेटे माइक में आई थिंक प्रॉब्लम है आपकी है ना मेरे को सुन नहीं रहा आपने पहले भी दैट गर्ल केम एंड शी वाज अनएबल टू स्पीक प्लीज चेक इट who have found it to be 4:5 raise your hand Arjuna section yeah very good because you have to do it in lowest term also after doing so now tell me one thing can I write it like this also can I write like this is it important to write male first and then female is it important to write or I can change also Yeah, we cannot change. Yes, I can see you. This is most important to write. First male will come and then their number, female number, 20:25 and then you are getting it as 4:5. I hope everybody is getting the same. Please write answers in ratio because this is ratio chapter. Even if you are finding, okay beta, okay, it's okay. Aurora section, sit down, no problem. I can see your actions. Children are telling me from their actions also, yes or no. Please continue. C part, give the ratio of males to the total. Short form, males to total. You can write, represent it by T. Don't write the answer directly. Please mention it over here. This was total. Okay? Because you don't want to get your marks cut. So don't write the answer in hurry. Is it coming out to be 4:9? Who are getting raise your hand? Keep matching. Very good. Very good. D part. Give the ratio of total persons to the number of females. D is T ratio F. Arjuna section. Satvik or what is D coming?
Ma'am, 9:5.
9:5. I hope everybody has got and you are writing all the answers in lowest form, right? Okay. Can you tell me E also? If you are here. Give two equivalent ratios of the ratio of numbers of males to the number of females. Arjuna section, that boy near the fan, yeah, please come near the wall. Arjuna section, yes, come forward. You have to tell two equivalent fractions, E part of male to female. You know, male to female, you found it to be 4:5. You have to find two equivalent ratios.
Ma'am, 8:10, 12:15.
8:10. और दूसरा कौन सा बताया?
12:15.
50. Very good. And you know, whenever you write equivalent fractions, equivalent ratios, I should say so everybody might get different answers. Somebody is multiplying by 2, somebody is multiplying by 3, somebody by 5. You can multiply by any number, you will get the equivalent, first of all, fractions and then ratios. So your answer will be 8:10 and 12:15 and you might get different answer also. Depends that by which you are multiplying. Okay, up and down multiply by the same number, then you will get the equivalent ratio that you know. Okay, Somebody is multiplied by 2, somebody by 3, 4, 5, whatever you want to take. Okay, they will become equivalent. There are infinite equivalent fractions or ratios, right? Question number 2. Ratio of distance of school from Raman's home to the distance of the school from Aarti's home is 2:1. You know, when we did this chapter, I told you whenever you do ratio questions, so always make a box around 2 whenever it is written in the sentence. Okay, you have to see what is on the left of 2 and what is on the right of 2, because left term will come as the numerator and it will come in the denominator, that you know, right? Now it is given ratio of distance of school from Raman's home. This is Raman's home here. Ratio, other person is Aarti's home. I am representing as A. Raman's distance is suppose 2 kilometer, and let us suppose Aarti's distance is 1 kilometer. Right? 2:1, what it represents? 2:1. Yes, Aurora section. Aurora section, sorry बेटा आपका mic नहीं काम कर रहा. Okay. Answer you know. Okay. You must know कि if from this statement you come to know if Raman is at 10 kilometers distance, then Aarti will be what? 5 kilometers. This you understand by 2:1. Why? Yeah, I can see your hand. Yes, I can see your hand. Aurora section. It will be 10:5. This is also coming out to be 2:1. Right? This is our guess. We have come to know it will be of this kind. Right? First answer is who lives near to the school? Is it Aarti? Raise your hand. Is it Aarti? Yes, Aarti lives nearby. You know, this distance is less. Okay. Second is if Raman's distance is 50 meter. A part is Aarti. Okay, I'm writing in short form. B is they are asking if the Raman's distance is 50 meter, what is the distance of Aarti's home from school? Okay, you know we are given the ratio of Raman to Aarti. So you also write in this form Raman ratio Aarti. Okay. Aurora section, I can see hands. Okay, you're done. Eva section, last girl. Eva section, last girl. Yes. You know these answers. That's why I'm asking you many of them. This is repetition for you. If Raman should be 25. Yes. Yes. This is 50. Raman is 50, and they are asking about Aarti's. It means they are talking about 50 ratio what, that is x, is equal to
25.
is equal to, yes, 2/1. You have to check here. This way you have to find that Raman's distance by Aarti's distance is equal to 2/1, which it is already given to us 2:1. From here you found that x is equal to coming out to be 25 kilometers. It is given meters. Raman's distance is given in meters. You also write in meters then. Okay, because there is no MCQ, you have to write perfectly with the unit and all. So Aarti's distance is coming out to be 25 meter. Okay, same question in C part. If Aarti's home is 1000 meters away, you have to find the distance of Raman's home. Yes. Able section. Able section. Carbon cord. We are doing B part, C part. C part, question number 2. Yes, beta, have you done?
That's 1,000 meter.
It's 2000. Okay, you can do it orally also, but otherwise, if you want to write in proper way, you can write like this. X by 2000, because Raman ratio Arti we have to write will be equal to 2:1. And when you solve it, it is coming out to be X is equal to 2000 meters. You should know the step also. Very good. You should know how it has come. Otherwise, it is oral also. Okay, oral also you know it is 2:1. तो जितनी भी इसकी आरती का होगा रमन का उसका twice हो जाएगा. If it is 4 kilometers, you will find that Raman's will be 2 into 4. It is oral also. But you have to go according to the concept. So apply this method. Okay. Ratio of Raman distance upon Arti's distance is equal to 2:1, which is given to us. Okay. So it is coming out to be 2000. D part, give 3 equivalent ratios of 2 by 2:1. It is simple. Just now you did. You can find, independent answers also. It might not match. If one child is telling some number 4 by 2 and 6 by 3, so you can find any answer. Everybody knows how to find the equivalent ratios. Okay, we did in first question also. Let us do next. Case study 3. Meera went to a park. This is little different question. Do it nicely. Question number 3. Meera went to a park 150-meter long and 90-meter wide. Please write down 90-meter wide. Wide is missing in your module. It is given in this way. Okay. She completed 3 rounds of the park. Statement is given to you. There is a rectangle. Length and breadth is given to you. Right? Width is given 90 and this is given 150 meter. 150 meter, 90 meter. She completes 3 rounds. Okay. What is the perimeter of the park? Of course, this is rectangle. You will be finding Aurora section. Sorry, I can't call you. Your mic is not working. Arjuna section. Arjuna section, that boy who is going to fall from the bench near the wall. That's why I have made you stand. Tell me the formula first. Tell me the formula, then tell me the answer.
Ma'am, perimeter equals to length plus 2 multiply length plus breadth. Ma'am,
Very good. What is it, Abhi?
bracket 150 plus 90 and
Yes.
the 150 plus 90 is 240.
Yes.
And after that, when we will multiply it by 2, the perimeter will come 480 meter.
400.
80 meter.
Yeah, it is coming out to be 240, है ना? After adding. You know why I'm writing here? Because you should remember that we have to solve the bracket first. That's why I'm writing. Very good, beta. Please sit down.
Thank you.
Now sit nicely. You should not fall from your bench. I can see your face. Good, good. Sit down. Now, you know, I have written here in the bracket so that you should know first we have to do addition, then multiplication. Okay. So, 480 meter is the final answer. This was simple perimeter they asked. Now they are asking what is the distance covered by Meera? Eva section. Yeah. Be ready, Sirat. Sirat, I knew your name. You were in the math also now? Yes, beta. What is coming? Covered by Meera.
The answer is 1440 meters.
You multiplied it by 3. Perimeter is 1 round. You multiplied it by 3. So it is coming out to be, yes, very good. 1440 meter. Don't forget to write the unit. Good, better sit down. This is your mensuration chart, ratio proportion. There's statement questions, and don't forget to write the unit also, right? So they asked about the total distance covered by meter. Now they are asking the ratio of perimeter of park to the total distance covered by meter. Information which is you have already found, they are asking its ratio. It means 480 ratio 1440. I'm writing over here so that you can match the answer. Okay, I hope you have done it in lowest form. Is it coming out to be 1:3? Aurora section, please raise your hands because you are unable to come. Okay, 1:3 is the correct answer. When you do it in lowest form, they are even numbers. Very nicely they can be cut. 1:3 is the final answer. D part, write the lowest form of the ratio of length and width. Ratio of length and width and in lowest form. Okay, please remember length, ratio, width. तो आपको लिखना ही है, पहले से ही लिखना है, उसको लोएस्ट फॉर्म में भी करना है. Lowest form of the ratio of length and width of the park. Arjuna section. Kashvi. What did you do here?
Ma'am, 5:3.
5:3. Yes. After doing in lowest form, you found it to be 5:3. I hope everybody has got. Okay. If anybody is not getting the same answer, you can stand and ask me the doubt, beta. This is a good practice for you. E part, Ramesh walked in another park of length 250 meter and 150 meter wide. There was different park with length and breadth is given to us. Okay. Aurora section, please sit down, beta. Sorry, I cannot call you. Your mic is not working today. You can tell me the answer, okay, by raising your hands. Okay. Ramesh is walking in other park. Its length and breadth is given in different way. Is the ratio of length and width of park 1 and park 2 are in proportion? There was a big calculation over here. Park 1 is different, Park 2 is different. Arjuna section, last boy near the window with pencil, who is waving his pencil. Yeah.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes. How? How yes? Please tell me. What is coming the ratio of Park 1?
5/3 and the second also 5/3.
Yeah. You know, in part 1, the ratio was 5:3. Just now you've calculated. अभी अभी D part में आपने निकाला था. And part 2 also you can find out by calculating. When you did it in lowest form, it was dimensions were 250 and 150. 250 ratio 150. Right? Okay, good beta, sit down. It is also coming out to be 5:3. When you do it in lowest form, both are equal. That's why answer is yes. Sure, you are doing it faster. Case study 4 is same as rectangle. I'm leaving it to you. Please do at home. Okay, same length and breadth we are using. Let's move further. Turn the page. There is subjective question. Figure is drawn here. You can see very well. There are 3 circles, 2 triangles, 1 square, 1 rectangle. Okay, see the diagrams carefully. You have to answer. Oh, okay, one hexagon is also there in the figure. You can see very well. Group of figures are there. In that, there is a hexagon also. First is number of circle to the number of triangles. You have to write the ratio of them. Please count it fast. First question subjective we are going to do. A part, number of circles to the number of triangles. Arjuna section, first girl. What is coming?
Ma'am, 3:2.
You just have to count, nothing else. In this question, you just have to count the figures and tell the answers. Good. B part, number of triangles to that of total figures. Total, you can count it very well. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 figures are there. Okay. You have to find triangles to that. It means 2:8. Since it is 2:8, you have to write the answer in lowest form. Don't forget it. Okay. In ratio chapter, just like you did in fraction, every answer you have to write in lowest form. So its final answer will be 1:4. Right? Number of circles to all the figures inside this. All the figures are 8 that you know, and circles are 3 only. You have counted it. So it will be 3:8 only. No lowest form. It is already in standard form, right? You need not cut it. They don't go in any table. It will remain as it is. Number of quadrilaters to the number of triangles. How many quadrilaters are there? Able section. Mayank. Mayank, please tell me how many quadrilaters are there and what is quadrilateral?
Mummy is absent.
Is that okay? Able section, who is coming? Yuvika. Number of quadrilaters. What do you mean by quadrilaters, beta? How will you find out?
Having same side.
Yeah, okay, four sides. Okay. So can you tell me the ratio, beta? What is the ratio then?
1:1.
1:1 because it was 2:2 is equal to 1:1 is the lowest form. Okay, good. E part, quadrilaters to the number of circles, it is 2:3. That you have seen, just counting. Okay. Second question is simple that you can do. I'm writing the answer over here. You can match it. Missing numbers you have to find. I want to finish this module today. Okay. You know how to fill the blanks. It is 15 by 21. You know it is 15 by 21. So you can see the fraction very well. It is not in lowest form. To make it simpler, first convert it into lowest form. 5 3s are 15, 7 3s are 21. So actually it is 5 by 7. Now match the other ones. Okay, first box. I'm writing the answer here. You do it and check it. Do and match, okay? It is 10. And then it is coming out to be next blank is 20. Up is given. Below there is a box. Okay. Since we are matching with this, 5 4s are 20. Same way you will be doing here. It will be 28. Next is, it is 25. I want to tell you one important thing over here. When in exam such question comes, please write the number first and then make the box. Okay, I have seen children, they make the small box first and keep writing tiny numbers in that. Don't do that. Okay, sometimes your writing is not neat. First of all, write down the number nicely and then make the box around it so that it should be seen clearly. And this is also important question. Okay, it might come in exam also. Third question, find the ratio of each of the following. You can see very well. Whenever they are numbers, they are not in the same unit. And in ratio, you have to make the unit same. That is important thing to notice. It is paise and rupees. First part is paise and rupees. Second part is meter and They are same, meter and meter. You will not change it. Third part is kg and grams. Again, you will be converting into same unit. Fourth part is minutes and hours. Again, you will be converting it into same unit. Then you will go further. Okay. Ajna section, second last boy. Yes. Have you found all? Tell me all the answers then. Question number 3.
Ma'am, first is 9:20.
First is 9:20. So what you did? You converted rupees into paise.
Ma'am, yes.
Raise your hand quickly who have found 9:20. Yes, good. Tell me second one.
Ma'am, next is 1:20.
1:20. Yes, it was in meters only. No need to convert. They are already in same unit. Okay. Third one.
Ma'am, it is.
Kg and grams.
Ma'am, 7:100.
No, no. Okay, you have not done it. Okay, sit down. Sit
Ma'am,
down.
7.
What? Repeat again.
100:7.
100 is 7. Yes, this is fine. 100:7. Fourth one.
Ma'am, fourth I am doing.
Okay, go and sit. Do it. It is 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. You know, 1.5 hours we have to convert it into minutes.
Ma'am,
1.5. Yes.
Ma'am, 2:1.
2:. Please check it. Check it. Don't sit in hurry. Sit and do. Go sit down. Sit and do. Don't do it in hurry. Please understand it. This is 1 hour plus half an hour more. It means 60 minutes plus 30 minutes. It means 90 minutes. Okay, you are using the same unit up and down. 30 minutes ratio 90 minutes. So please take it what is coming now. Okay, what is coming beta? Thirty ratio 90. 1:3. Such question, don't do it in hurry. Okay, and I will suggest you please write and do. Okay, your rough column should be ready. Keep writing tiny, whatever you want to write. In such questions, especially. Otherwise, you know how to do. Okay, whenever there is a conversion, please write down. If you're converting paise into rupees or rupees into paise, then also. Okay, quickly write down whatever that numbers are there, 100:9 or whatever. Okay, lowest form you know how to do. Okay, spend some time on your rough work and then write the final answer. Because nahi to, everything you know, then by tiny these silly mistakes you cut your marks. Okay. Fourth question is, Devinder wants to divide rupees 30,000 between his two sons Amit and Nitin in the ratio of their ages. If the age of Amit is 12 years and that of Nitin is 8 years, find the share of each. You have done such kind of question also in your NCERT, sharing of between two persons. Yeah. Whosoever will come, he has to explain the question. Okay. Don't tell me only answer. जो भी आगे आएगा उसको थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा. Yes, Arjuna section, acha beta, last boy. Yes, explain me little, then tell me answer. Question number 4.
Ma'am, method is of sum of ratios.
Yes.
Ma'am,
What is that? We're
Ma'am,
talking about. Yes.
ma'am, that's 20. Because 12 and 8 are the ratios and that's 20.
No. Please do it in lowest form first. It is 12:8. Why don't you write it in form of 3:2? Make it smaller. Write down lowest form. Okay? You can do that also. I'm telling you uh, some tricks to solve the question. Whenever such question come, write in lowest form first, then go further. Yes, you have to add them, find the sum. Very good. Now tell me, sum is equal to 3 plus 2?
Ma'am, 5.
Yes.
Ma'am, here now we have to divide the value by sum of ratios and multiply the ratio.
Okay. Tell me then what will be Amit's share?
Ma'am, Amit's share will be 18,000.
How?
Ma'am, I have sold 30,000 divided by 20 multiplied by 12.
Okay. Okay, sit down. You have done a big calculation. Sit down. Your answer is correct, but I must tell you to avoid any mistake. You are going in big class now. To avoid any mistake, try to write in lowest form. Calculation को minimize करो yourself smartly. Okay? Finding answer is not only the objective. It is not that कि only aim है हमारा सिर्फ answer निकालना. Do the smart calculation. Okay? You can do it here. Amit, this was Amit and this was Nitin, The ratio was given 12:8. So we have to find first Amit's share. It will be 3 out of total into 30,000. Concept. Apply the concept. Right? So when you found it is coming out to be 18,000. Your answer is matching, no doubt. 18,000. Same way we have to find the Nitin share also. Same question, such question you have done it in your NCRT also. That is 2 by total into 30,000. Right? You do it in lowest form. What it is coming? Able section. Able section. Who is coming? Yes, come beta. Last. Yes, near the window. That boy is raising his hand. Acho beta.
Ma'am, 12,000.
12,000. Okay, you can put the comma also. You are smart children. You have learned in your first chapter how to put commas. Okay. And this is the way you will go. Okay. Same question is there. Fifth question, sixth question. Please continue. Okay. And please finish this questions. Let me tell you the answers of 11th question. Last, true and false. Remaining you do. They are all simple. You have come to know. Second term, how to find the second term, third term, final term. You know it? Suppose we have, yes. Suppose we have 3:5 is equivalent to 6:10. Which is the first term and which is the second term, which is third term? Can you tell me?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, in fifth question, please tell me the meaning of annum.
Okay. Okay. Let us the question. Income of Rahim is rupees 12,000 per month. Okay. Rahim ki jo income hai, that is per month. And that of Amir is rupees 1,91,520 per annum. Per annum. When we talk about per annum, we write it in short form as PA. Okay. Per annum means 1 year. 1 year means 12 months. We have to convert it into 12 months. Okay. So whenever you have Rahim ki jo income hai, that is given in rupees per month, that is final. And Amir's income is given per annum. Per annum means you have to divide by 12 to make it into months. Okay, write this all to understand it better. Per annum means per year. Okay, this is the way you will go. And I was asking you, Bate, this if two ratios are in proportion, 3:4, 5 is proportion to 6:10, then which is the first term, which is second term, third term, fourth term? Do you know it? If two ratios are in proportion? Okay, write it down. This is first term, this is second, right? This is third, and this is fourth. We write like this. We write it as 3/5 is equal to 6/10. Okay, your question number 6, 8th also, 8th and 9th, both are concerning this first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Okay, please try these all questions. Okay, and 11th question, I'm telling you true, false. This is simple. First one is true. You can do it orally, side by side. Second is false, and third is also false. If you want, you can write down the hint and please try at home. First is true, then false, then false. Please try other questions. Okay, see you next time. All the best. Bye-bye. And your math science class is going to start soon, beta. Bye-bye.
So there is one question जो इस assignment में थोड़ा सा difficult question है. Let me tell you. First write down, आज की date. So see here. This is, जिसके पास है वो देख सकता है question. This is opaque wall. This is plane mirror, and there are present 3 bulbs या 4 bulbs आप कह लीजिए. Here it is observer. Observer यहाँ है और हमारे पास जो है जो बल्ब्स है वो एक यहाँ पे इधर है. Let us say P, Q, R and S. These are the 4 bulbs. ठीक है. This is observer. ये उसकी. These are the eyes. So which bulb? Write down the question. Which bulb can be observed by the observer in the mirror? ठीक है. तो इन सबकी इमेजेस बनेंगी प्लेन मिरर पे, पर ऑब्जर्वर कौन सा देखेगा. ठीक है. तो हम इसमें देखेंगे, क्या देखेंगे हम, द इमेज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पे सेम डिस्टेंस पे, जितना ये डिस्टेंस उतना ही यहाँ पे ये वॉल है, ओपेक वॉल. थोड़ा सा हम ये देखते हैं कि ये जो है इस विजन में जितने ऑब्जेक्ट्स आ जाएंगे, ये थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेट कर लेना, जितने ऑब्जेक्ट्स आ जाएंगे द पर्सन इज एबल टू सी दैट। ठीक है जी। तो अब हम ये देखते हैं, आप थोड़ा सा मेजर करेंगे। अब मुझे आप बताएंगे, यू विल टेल मी कि हाउ मेनी बल्ब्स हाउ मेनी बल्ब्स कैन द ऑब्जर्वर ऑब्जर्व। ऑल फोर ऑप्शन है पी ओनली, ऑप्शन बी है ऑल फोर, ऑप्शन सी है एस एंड आर, और ऑप्शन डी है पी क्यू एंड आर। चलिए आपको मैंने सारा बना के दिखा दिया। विच बल्ब्स, यस, अर्जुन में से मिडिल रो में से द गर्ल विद द रेज्ड हैंड। हाँ जी, आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ, पहले माइक ऑन करो और फिर बताओ। हाँ जी,
मैम सी।
एस एंड आर।
मैम पी ऑल्सो।
पी और
क्यू आर। मैम पी क्यू आर डी ऑप्शन इज द आंसर।
डी ऑप्शन इज द आंसर, बिल्कुल है। तो ऐसे नहीं, देख के नहीं पता चलेगा, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ दिस। आपको तो डायग्राम ये दिया हुआ होगा, यहाँ पे ऑब्जर्वर है, यहाँ पे वॉल है, और यहाँ पे बल्ब्स है। ठीक है, जैसे भी है, तो कौन से बल्ब्स उसको दिखेंगे, तो आपको ये इस तरह से बनानी पड़ेगी। ओनली देन you will be able to observe the, you can tell the answer. So the answer is D, P, Q and R, because S is not under the vision of the observer. इसको ये नहीं दिखेगा। Is it okay? ठीक है, एक ये आपके ओलंपियाड टाइप क्वेश्चन है, ये आपके स्कूल में तो नहीं बट ओलंपियाड में आ सकता है। एनएसओ, हाँ जी बेटा।
मैम प्लीज एक्सप्लेन मी 13th क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो।
13th क्वेश्चन आई विल ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेन 13। ठीक है, हाँ जी बना लिया बेटा ये। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आ जाता है बेटा, अ गर्ल स्टैंड्स एट पॉइंट पी। पहले डायग्राम बना लो जल्दी से, ड्रॉ द डायग्राम। जिस जिसके पास असाइनमेंट है वो डायग्राम बनाए। डायग्राम क्या है कि दिस इज मिरर, ये गर्ल है पी। ठीक है, इसके बीच में ये वॉल है, अगेन दिस इज ओपेक वॉल, और यहां पॉइंट्स है डब्ल्यू, एक्स, वाई एंड Z। ठीक है, और आप बेटा सेम ही चीज है कि इसकी वॉल की यू ड्रॉ द शेडो हियर, और आप ये देखेंगे, एक मिनट, हम जो है मिरर यहां तक है, तो कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट्स यहां पे लिखा है, बाय मीन्स ऑफ ए मिरर हाउ मेनी ऑफ द फोर कैन शी सी, कौन से चार जो है वो देख पाएगी। ठीक है, तो शी कैन ऑब्जर्व ऑल फोर, क्योंकि रिफ्लेक्शन आ रही है लाइट की, है ना, ये चाहे ये है बट और सेम पॉइंट पे है, सो शी कैन ऑब्जर्व ऑल फोर। लिख लो आंसर, पहले लिख लो, क्यों चारों, because the reflection of light from all the four
मैम द डायग्राम नाउ यू मेड, मैम इस समय जो मिरर है मैम वो तो आपने जेड के बहुत करीब बना दिया, वो तो बहुत दूर नहीं है मिरर। मिरर मैम, और जब सर ने करवाया था ये क्वेश्चन, सर ने कहा कि बस डब्ल्यू एक्स और वाई देख सकते, तो सिर्फ डब्ल्यू एक्स और वाई को देख सकते हैं, जेड को नहीं देख पाएंगे हम।
बिल्कुल बात यहाँ पे ठीक है कि अगर मिरर जो है वो पास में है कैन नॉट ऑब्जर्व जेड, अगर दूर हो जाएगा दे कैन ऑब्जर्व जेड। ठीक है, इज इट राइट?
मैम वन स्टूडेंट इज आस्किंग।
एक मिनट, मैं यहाँ से जरा डायग्राम देख लूं जरा थोड़ा सा।
यस मैम।
एक मिनट। Because Z is far away from the mirror, मिरर जो है वो सिर्फ, लेट मी सी, मैंने थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे मिरर X तक ही है और ये है Z। ठीक है, आपकी बात ठीक है, सर ने भी ठीक बताया कि ये यहीं तक ही, मेरा मतलब थोड़ा सा अगर हम देखेंगे तो मिरर अगर आप देखोगे तो मिरर यहाँ तक ही दिया हुआ है
यस मैम, एक्स तक।
है ना, X तक ही। ठीक है, तो इसलिए Z जो है वहां तक पहुंच ही नहीं पाएगा, दैट्स वाई।
यस मैम, मैम तो इसका आंसर 3 है ना?
3 आएगा, yes, not all 4, answer is 3, because the reflected ray from the Z does not reach the mirror।
मैम हमारे 14 और 15 के भी आंसर करने रहते हैं।
हाँ, मैं बता रही बेटा, 14 का आंसर आप सबको पता है, इट इज बी, ऑप्शन बी, बीटा, है ना, इसमें कौन सा ट्रांसपेरेंट और कौन सा ट्रांसल्यूसेंट है ये आपको पता है। 15th वाले ने क्या कहा है कि ये टॉर्च है, ये है, यहाँ पे एक ऑब्जेक्ट था, उसकी शेडो यहाँ पर पड़ रही है बट यहाँ पर नहीं पड़ रही, इसके पास नहीं पड़ रही। क्यों नहीं पड़ रही? क्योंकि या इस पे भी नहीं पड़ रही और इस पे भी नहीं पड़ रही, वाई? बिकॉज दिस इज ट्रांसपेरेंट एंड दिस इज ओपेक, और ओपेक है तो इसके बाहर लाइट जा ही नहीं सकती, सो आंसर इज सी। जो लास्ट वाला है वो ट्रांसपेरेंट हो सकता है या ओपेक हो सकता है, बट जो मिडल वाला है दिस इज ओपेक। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 मैंने आपको करा दिया केस स्टडी। जब सब बच्चे अगली बार अगर असाइनमेंट लेके आएंगे तो मैं एवरी बेंच हैज असाइनमेंट। चलिए हम देख लेते हैं। शेडो फॉर्मेशन एक्सप्लेन्स विच प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लाइट? इट एक्सप्लेन्स रेक्टिलिनियर प्रोपेगेशन ऑफ लाइट। ठीक है, तो शेडो फॉर्मेशन एक्सप्लेन्स रेक्टिलिनियर प्रोपेगेशन ऑफ लाइट। एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, इसकी यहां भी शेडो पड़ रही है, यहां भी शेडो बन रही है, यहां भी बन रही है, यहां भी, यहां भी। आओ, when there are multiple sources of light, यहां से लाइट पड़ रही है, यहां से लाइट पड़ रही है, यहां से लाइट, यहां से लाइट, यहां से लाइट। So when there are multiple sources of light, there is, यहां से जो लाइट इस पे पड़ेगी उसकी शेडो यहां पड़ेगी, यहां से जो लाइट पड़ रही है उसकी शेडो यहां बन रही है, राइट? So when there are, लिख लो, multiple shadows are formed when there are multiple sources of light. When there are multiple sources of light. और साइज ऑफ द शेडो किस पे डिपेंड करता है? डिस्टेंस बिटवीन सोर्स ऑफ लाइट एंड द ऑब्जेक्ट, उस पे डिपेंड करता है ना। तो if the number of, can multiple shadows of the same object has always of same size? No. अगर ये वाला सोर्स ऑफ लाइट पास में हो तो शेडो जो है उसका साइज डिफर कर जाएगा। तो आंसर इज नो। ठीक है, जिसके पास असाइनमेंट है वो लिख लो, जिसके पास नहीं है दे कैन आस्क मी नेक्स्ट टाइम ऑल्सो। ठीक है, क्योंकि बहुतों के पास नहीं है इसलिए और वाला क्वेश्चन हम नेक्स्ट टाइम करते हैं ताकि सब लेकर आए। चलिए अब मैं कुछ मूवमेंट के क्वेश्चंस आपसे पूछती हूँ। नेक्स्ट टाइम वी विल डू वाटर ऑल्सो। सो राइट डाउन व्हाट आर द अडेप्टेशंस वी हैव डन मूवमेंट बट। हाँ जी बेटा, डू यू वांट टू आस्क समथिंग?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो।
Ma'am, I don't understand the 15th sum.
15 कौन सा है बेटा?
Ma'am, that torch and three cardboards.
यस, आप बताओ कि शेडो कहाँ पे बन रही है? सेकंड वाले पे बन रही है कि नहीं?
Ma'am, बन रही है.
है ना, इसका मतलब सेकंड ओपेक है,
Yes, ma'am.
पास नहीं ना करने दे रहा लाइट को, शेडो बन रही है उससे।
Okay, ma'am.
फर्स्ट वाले पास करने दे रहा है, इसलिए फर्स्ट कार्डबोर्ड जो है वो क्या है? दैट इज ट्रांसपेरेंट, तभी तो उसमें से लाइट पास कर रही है।
Okay, ma'am.
That's right.
Ma'am, and answers of first and second question of case study.
केस स्टडी मैं दोबारा से आपको समझाऊंगी नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स विल ब्रिंग द असाइनमेंट। ठीक है, या मैं एक पीपीटी नेक्स्ट टाइम बना लूंगी ताकि सबके बच्चों को समझ आ जाए।
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
आज हम थोड़ा सा मूवमेंट के बारे में कर ले। लिख लो, क्वेश्चन लिख लो। What are the differences in the both birds as well as insects they fly? What are the differences? लिख लो, able, every boy, every girl, every student write on the question. What is the difference in the wings of birds and insects? Both are used for flying, but what is the difference? Can anybody tell me? Yes, there is one girl in able. हाँ जी बेटा, आ जाओ मिडल रो, आ जाओ जल्दी से आओ, माइक ऑन करो।
Ma'am, it can be the wings of the birds help them to fly high in the air. But like insect cockroach, they fly only at the medium time distance.
That is correct. But any other difference?
Ma'am, any other I don't.
हाँ बैठो बैठो बेटा, जो इंसेक्ट्स के विंग्स है, हाँ जी, देयर इज वन स्टूडेंट इन अर्जुन ऑल्सो, आ जाओ बेटा फटाफट से आओ भाग कर।
Ma'am, they have feathers on their wings, but insects have plain wings.
Yes.
I mean, there are two pairs of wings in insects, but there is a single pair of wings in birds.
एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट, ये भी ठीक है। ठीक है, बैठो बेटा, मैं एक चीज और बताती हूँ जो स्ट्रक्चर्स पे डिपेंड है कि इन इंसेक्ट्स द विंग्स आर एक्सटेंशंस ऑफ स्किन, उनकी स्किन की ही एक्सटेंशन है। वेयर एज इन बर्ड्स द विंग्स आर मॉडिफाइड लिम्स, जो हमारी बाजुएं हैं वो उनके विंग्स है, उसमें वो बोन्स भी मिलती है। जो हमारी फोर लिम्स में, हमारी आर्म्स में बोन्स है, they are present in their wings. So write down what are the differences. In insects wings are extensions of skin. हमारी तरह स्किन तो नहीं है, बट अगेन स्किन। एंड इन बर्ड्स wings are modified arms or forelimbs. ठीक है, and in insects two pairs of wings, and in birds one pair of wings. ठीक है जी, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आ जाइए। राइट ऑन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस, व्हाट आर द अडेप्टेशंस, व्हाट आर द adaptations in birds due to which they can fly. ठीक है, तो मेन जितनी भी अडेप्टेशंस है, दे प्रोवाइड देम लाइट वेट। तो यहाँ पे यू हैव टू, with star you have to write that birds require light weight for flying। और उसके बाद विंग्स है, ये तो है ही है, बट चलिए एक ये इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है। नाउ टेल मी, पहले लिखो और फिर मुझे बताओ। फ्रॉम अरोरा, somebody टेल मी, अरोरा में से बेटा उपकार, उपकार इज देयर। आ जाओ आ जाओ, द गर्ल हु इज कमिंग, आ जाओ बेटा, आ जाओ आ जाओ। उपकार कम फॉरवर्ड। चलिए जल्दी से माइक ऑन करो और मुझे बताओ व्हाट आर द अडेप्टेशंस इन बर्ड्स। हाँ जी बोलो जरा, आपकी आवाज नहीं मुझे आ रही है। पहले माइक ऑन करो बेटा। चलो अरोरा में से माइक ऑन नहीं हो रहा है, आप करो इतनी देर। देन एबल में आध्या, एबल आध्या, माइक ऑन करो और माइक ऑन ही रहने देना।
Yes, ma'am.
What are the adaptation in birds due to which they can fly?
Ma'am, they have hollow bones which make their weight lighter.
They have कौन सी बोन्स बेटा?
Hollow bones.
उन हॉलो बोन्स को क्या बोलते हैं? चलिए कोई बात नहीं, आई विल टेल यू, दे हैव हॉलो बोन्स। और बताइए। Yes, any other adaptation?
Forelimbs are modified into wings.
Forelimbs modified into wings. Very good. Or
They have streamlined body.
yes, very good. Streamlined body. क्या फंक्शन होता है स्ट्रीमलाइंड बॉडी का?
It reduces inflow of air.
Streamlined body reduces friction. Friction होता है बेटा which opposes motion. Reduces friction. बैठो बेटा, very good. Then they have wings. Then they have strong shoulder bones. For attachment of wings. विंग्स ने अटैच होना है तो उनके शोल्डर बोन्स बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है. यस, अर्जुन में से जो गर्ल है, हाँ जी बेटा, फर्स्ट वाली, हाँ आ जाओ आ जाओ, ऑन करो.
Ma'am, they do not have teeth. Ma'am, they have lightweight beak.
दे हैव, अच्छा वो नहीं बेटा, ये तो नहीं, बीक और टीथ से कोई ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता. देन दे हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग, ध्यान से, स्ट्रॉन्ग ब्रेस्ट बोन. फॉर अटैचमेंट ऑफ फ्लाइट मसल्स. कोई और फ्रॉम A1, एनी अदर स्टूडेंट, कोई और? चलिए, अर्जुन में से पीछे बॉयज का हाथ खड़े हैं, हाँ जी बोलो बेटा.
Their tail has special flight feathers which help them to steer in air.
Yes, steer in air means changing direction, right? Seventh is tail helps in steering in air. Steering means changing direction. And one more important point, they lack urinary bladder. Therefore, cannot store urine. करें पाते नहीं, जब यूरिन स्टोर नहीं करेंगे तो हैवी नहीं रहेगा. ठीक है जी. सो दीज आर द अडेप्टेशंस. एंड हॉलो बोन्स, हॉलो बोन्स का दूसरा नाम क्या है? दैट इज न्यूमेटिक बोन्स. न्यूमेटिक न्यूमेटिक बोन. एक और आंसर, अर्जुन में से एक बच्चे ने कोई और आंसर भी देना है, बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, they have very small body.
तो नहीं बात, ऐसा नहीं है ना. यहाँ पे एक और पॉइंट आता है, क्योंकि फ्लाइट के लिए बहुत सारी एनर्जी चाहिए. दे हैव हाई रेट ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन. ठीक है, बर्ड्स का हमसे ज्यादा रेस्पिरेशन रेट है. लिख लो, दे हैव हाई रेट ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन विच प्रोवाइड्स देम एनर्जी. Next question है cranium. या क्रेनियल बोन्स encloses dash rib cage formed of dash bones बतानी है and encloses dash pelvis formed of dash and encloses dash चलिए बताइए फटाफट some other students yes अरोरा में से आवाज नहीं आ रही है नहीं वी वांट टू आस्क फ्रॉम अरोरा देन एबल में से आ जाइए बेटा अनिकेत अनिकेत इज देयर आ जाओ अनिकेत टेल मी क्रेनियल बोन्स क्या इनक्लोज करती हैं ब्रेन बेटा ये देखो ये जो है ऊपर खोपड़ी ये जो है दीज आर क्रेनियल बोन्स व्हाट दे एनक्लोज ब्रेन राइट so write down cranial bones enclose brain अर्जुन में से विवान एंड रुनाव आ जाओ दोनों आ जाओ यस विवान रिब केज कौन कौन सी बोन्स का बना हुआ है यू कैन सी दिस इज रिब केज कौन कौन सी बोन्स का बना ये जो है ये रिब केज है ये नीचे पेल्विस है ठीक है तो टेल मी विच बोन्स फॉर्म रिब केज
मैम विवान इज एब्सेंट
कोई बात नहीं विवान तो नहीं है तो रुनाव से आप आंसर बताओ बेटा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं था rib cage is formed of which bones
मैम
इसको बताने दो बेटा ये देखो ये रिब केज है किस किस बोन्स की बनी हुई है
मैम रिब्स
की बनी है और आगे ये क्या है जिसके साथ रिब्स जॉइंट है
मैम
ब्रेस्ट
ब्रेस्ट
पीछे किससे जॉइंट बैकबोन राइट 3 टाइप की बोन से बनी है बैठ जाओ बेटा बैठ जाओ आराम से जिसको मैं बुलाऊंगी वही आए ऐसे भाग भाग के नहीं go to your seat everybody go to your seat rib cage is formed of ribs chest bone and backbone what does they enclose able Narbeer Kaur and Sachman आ जाओ नरबीर बेटा बताओ and encloses rib cage enclose what heart and lungs बिल्कुल ठीक है हाँ जी next student pelvis is formed of ये देखो ये पेल्विस है ये नीचे वाला ये जो राउंड सा नजर आ रहा है ये सारा पेल्विस है किस किस का बना हुआ है ये क्या है साइड में ये बोन्स कौन सी है ये वाली हिप बोन पेल्विक गर्डल ठीक है सो दे आर फॉर्म्ड ऑफ pelvic girdle and you know tailbone या फिर हम लास्ट पार्ट टेलबोन ही कर लो ज्यादा नहीं हम देखते एंड टेलबोन ये बैक बोन का लास्ट पार्ट है हाँ जी बेटा एंड एनक्लोजर्स व्हाट डज दिस एनक्लोज It encloses the reproductive system. Testes, ovaries, uterus, ये सब यहाँ present है. Pelvis is formed of pelvic girdle and tailbone and encloses reproductive system.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Ma'am, I have a doubt that ribcage also encloses kidney and stomach.
Ribcage? Ribcage नहीं. वो तो नीचे आ जाता है. किडनी एंड स्टमक तो नीचे आ जाएंगे, है ना. उनको बोन्स प्रोटेक्ट नहीं करती है. Now tell me, which is the strongest bone? Smallest bone? Strongest muscle? बताइए. Yes, in able. Able में बेटा रोल नंबर 11. रोल नंबर 11, रोल नंबर 7 and roll number 24. 7, 11, 24 ये तीनों आ जाओ. हाँ जी, रोल नंबर 7. स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट बोन कौन सी है बेटा हमारी? पहले माइक ऑन करो. एबल. दोबारा से, विच इज द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट बोन? समझ आ रहा है? एक बच्चा बोलेगा, एक बच्चा सिर्फ. रोल नंबर 7 विल टेल मी. कौन सी? फीमर. फीमर. फीमर बिल्कुल ठीक है. फीमर इज थाई बोन. यस. रोल नंबर 11, स्मॉलेस्ट बोन. टेप कौन कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है? मिडल ईयर. वेरी गुड. इट इज स्टेप्स ऑफ मिडल ईयर. ईयर में 3 पार्ट्स है, एक्सटर्नल, मिडल एंड. विच इज द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट मसल?
बाइसेप्स.
नहीं, बाइसेप्स कहाँ से बेटा? कौन से मसल?
थाई मसल.
नहीं बेटा, हिप मसल्स. ग्लूटियस मैक्सिमस. स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट मसल इज ग्लूटियस मैक्सिमस. और आप इसको अगर ये नाम ना याद रहे तो हिप मसल्स. बस 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 आराम से. ग्लूटियस मैक्सिमस इज द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट. ठीक है जी. नेक्स्ट आ जाइए. बातें कैसे कर लेते हो जब टीचर सामने है और इतने बढ़िया स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हो, इतने डिसिप्लिन स्कूल में हो गर्ल्स. आपकी कोई आपकी वीडियो देखेगा तो व्हाट विल दे से कि GTBPS की 6th क्लास कैसी है? लिखते चलो और आंसर भी लिखना है. What if synovial fluid is absent between joints? ends of long bones not covered by cartilage टेबल अपना वीडियो ऑन करो two long bones are not joined by ligament bones are not connected by muscles चलिए कीजिए ये चारों चलिए ओके अब मेरे पास आ जाएंगे बेटा अर्जुन में से रोल नंबर 27 26 एंड 27 दोनों आ जाओ क्विकली 26 एंड 27 माइक ऑन करो और फिर बताओ और अगर 20 आगे चलिए दोनों आइए यू नो मैं थोड़ा सा आपको बताती हूँ एंड यू मस्ट बी नोइंग दैट कि दो बोन्स के बीच में देयर इज ये इस तरह से ज्वाइंट है covered by cartilage and there is present synovial fluid. What will happen if synovial fluid is absent between joints?
Ma'am, the freely movable joints cannot move freely.
Yes, movable joints will not move because why? क्यों ऐसा क्यों?
Ma'am, because this synovial liquid allows very much movement and reduce the friction.
Yes, because there will be more friction. अगर synovial fluid नहीं होगा friction का जरूर बताना very good sit down तो synovial fluid तो हम कहेंगे the joints the bones will not move due to increased friction answer is bones will not move due to increased friction yes next student what if ends of long bones not covered by cartilage.
Ma'am, ma'am, rubbing will occur.
Yes, the two bones rub with each other and cause pain. लिखो, the two bones will rub with each other and cause pain. इसमें कौन सा डिजीज हो जाएगा? इसमें हो जाएगा osteoarthritis. Yes. नेक्स्ट आ जाता है बेटा एबल में आ जाइए 22 रोल नंबर 22 आ जाओ 12 हाँ 12 and 22
मैं 22 रोल नंबर इज एब्सेंट ही लेफ्ट स्कूल
23 आ जाओ 23 आ जाओ माइक ऑन कर दो बस जल्दी से ये जो लिगामेंट है अगर ये लिगामेंट ना हो देन what will happen if two bones are not joined by ligament बातें नहीं अर्जुन बातें नहीं यस बोन्स डिसलोकेट हो जाएंगी, अपनी जगह पर नहीं रहेंगी. द bones will dislocate from their place. Next student, bones are not connected by muscles. अगर मसल से कनेक्टेड नहीं होंगे, इवन देन नो मूवमेंट. बस यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट लिखना है कि मसल्स कैन मूव बाय देमसेल्व्स बट बोन्स कैन नॉट मूव विदाउट मसल्स. ठीक है, लिखो जरा. मसल्स कैन, आई होप मैंने पहले भी बताया होगा, बट अगेन राइट ऑन. मसल्स कैन मूव विदाउट बोन्स but bones cannot move without muscles. Muscles can move without bones, but bones cannot move. But bones cannot move without muscles because the muscles receive information from the brain. Because muscles receive information from the brain and not bones. Bones को information नहीं आती है, muscles को आती है. Homework है, then we will discuss it next time. If muscles work by pull only, muscles सिर्फ pull करते हैं, push नहीं करते. If muscles work by, write down the question, everybody. If muscles work by pull only, then how can we bend or straighten our arm? एक ही चीज होनी चाहिए, है ना. अगर मसल सिर्फ पुल करते हैं तो पुल तो कर लिया, फिर स्ट्रेट कैसे हो जाती है? How can we bend as well as straighten our arm? अब जल्दी से लिखते चलो, नेक्स्ट टाइम हम डिस्कस करेंगे. फटाफट, वन वर्ड है. Joint moves when we say yes. लिखो, the joint, the type of joint which move when we say yes. The type of joint which moves when we say yes. Second आ जाइए. The type of joint which moves when we say no. The type of joint which moves when we say no. Third आ जाइए. The type of joint which moves when we rotate our neck. The type of joint which moves. लिख लो, next time मैंने पूछना है. When we rotate our neck. Type of joint which moves while holding pencil. The type of joint which moves while holding pen or pencil. ठीक है जी, अगली बार ये करके आना. Bring your light assignment and we will discuss about water. And what about your maths? Maths का कौन सा कर रहे हो आजकल टॉपिक? Tell me, एबल बताओ जरा, मैथ्स का कौन सा टॉपिक कर रहे हो आजकल? एक बच्चा आगे आके बताए बेटा.
रेट एंड क्वेश्चन.
कौन सा?
रेट एंड क्वेश्चन.
आप चैप्टर नंबर बता दो. चैप्टर नंबर कौन सा? ये अर्जुन बताएंगे. हाँ अर्जुन बताओ, आप कौन सा कर रहे हो?
हम चैप्टर नंबर 12 रेशियो एंड प्रपोर्शन.
आज आपने मैम के साथ यही किया, स्कूल में भी यही कर रहे हो?
Ma'am, in school we are doing revision because of our exams.
ओके, कौन सा चैप्टर आप करना चाहते हो? कौन सा अलजेब्रा कर लें?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइम शुड वी डू अलजेब्रा?
Ma'am, algebra we don't have in syllabus.
ओके,
It
अलजेब्रा.
will be in terms.
Okay, then which chapter you want to do next time?
Mensuration, ma'am. Mensuration and ratio proportion mix.
ओके ओके, आज भी किया था है ना, रेशियो प्रोपोर्शन एंड मेंसुरेशन मिक्स किया था, राइट? चलिए, अगली बार हम कई मिक्स्ड क्वेश्चंस देंगे डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स के, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
ओके, बाय 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 बाय, थैंक
Thank
यू.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.